Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to be doing an exercise to create a waterfall chart by filling in the table below. So if you watched the lesson video for this, this is the same data. It's just going to give you some muscle memory on doing the mechanics of actually creating it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So we've got our data of the months here and the cash flow for each one of those. And then we inserted columns here, the base and down, up, and start to facilitate us creating this waterfall chart. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the start, which just equals the first value here, whatever we start with. And then we'll create the down and up columns here. So the down is going to be negative min of this number here, the changes column, and so this is just going to grab all of the negative numbers, and then we're going to turn those into positive numbers by putting this negative sign in front of it. All right, so then we're going to grab the positive numbers in the up column by using the max function and 0. So those are pretty simple. Alright, so now we need to figure out how we're going to put in the base. So the base is going to be the previous base, and then we're going to add to that the sum of the up and start of the previous time period. The start's only going to be relevant for the first one, but it doesn't hurt to put it in the calculation because everything else is 0. And then we're going to subtract any current time period down. Alright, so that creates the base, and that just creates the bar here that you can't see, which because it's not colored, that the other bars can sit on top of it if it's going up or down. And then we just have to put in an end one, and that's the same calculation as was for the base. So we got the previous base plus the up minus a down, but you don't have a current period down, so that's just what it is. Alright, so now we're set up. We have the data in order to populate this chart. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to move this to the side to give us some room. And then I'm going to select the data we need. We don't need this cash flow column with the actual changes data. We just need these columns here. And then we're going to go to Insert, we're going to go to Column, and then we're going to do the stacked column. So you can see we're not quite done yet. So we've got all this color-coded, the start, up, down, end, and base. So what we're going to do is we're going to select these base numbers, and then we're going to right-click and go to Format Data Series, and we're going to change those to no fill so that you can't see them. So now you can see the up and down are floating on top of these base numbers, which are not visible. And we can actually take the base out of the legend as well if we want. Just select it and press delete. Now we might want to change the colors of some of these. So the down, you can see once you select it, this is the down column, are showing as green. Usually you want those as red, so we're going to format that by right-clicking again. Going to fill, we'll do solid color, and we'll go with this red accent color here. So those are now red. We'll select the ups, right click, format data series, fill. We'll go solid fill, and let's do green here. Alright, so we got that kind of Christmassy feel, and let's just do the start and ends as well. We'll do those as a neutral gray color. And here, right click, go to fill, solid, we'll do gray. Alright, so now we're basically done. You could put in a chart title and some axes labels, but I'll leave that guy up to you. But hopefully you guys were able to follow along with this, and you join me for future videos. Thank you very much.